Anna, look! They're making ice cream.
Let's go make ice cream with them.
Yeah! Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's go make ice cream.
Good day, everyone! I am Meadow.
And I am Arizona. Thank you for joining us for today's Ultimate Sisters Adventures Cooking Travel.
Today's culinary travel is taking us to Hogwarts, where we are making vanilla ice cream with whipped cream.
Well, Meadow's making lemon ice cream with
Yellow whipped cream.
and me white whipped cream. Why is it purple? Who turned it purple?
I don't know. I thought it was supposed to be white.
It's supposed to be white. I was the one, Anna, who turned it purple, and now we could make ice cream all by ourselves.
What are you guys doing here? Nothing. We want to take ice cream. So Anna, did you dye Arizona's whipped cream purple? Yes. Okay. You guys, happy whipping cream, sorry. Also, you guys can make ice cream with us. Yay! So, the things you'll need to make the ice cream, let's see you guys over here, is 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, or you can use milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm making lemon ice cream, so I'm going to use lemon extract. So,
And some salt. We'll take salt. How much salt?
half a tablespoon of salt.
We're both going to use it. And next, we are going to put
And a big bag of ice and a little sandwich bag. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little bag, add in your milk or cream.
This can be tricky.
This is a little messy.
Oh, I just realized that.
Your cream or milk, then your sugar. Wait, I want to pour it. Elsa, you want to pour it? You can pour in the extract.
And Anna, I will let you pour in the extract too.
So, add your milk, sugar, and extract. Oh wait, I have to pour it in.
Here, Anna, it's your color hair, and that is Elsa's color hair.
Oh my gosh.
So, Anna, you gotta stand up.
And then,
I don't know
pour
what
it
this is.
in.
Ooh, this is fun. There. Start one over.
Ooh, can you help me keep this open, please?
What is this?
That's for whipping cream.
Oh, okay.
For ice thing.
Okay, so
Whipped cream, I meant. So let's pour in the extract. I'm helping you. There we go.
and now, what's next?
Now, Elsa, you can stand over here behind the bag of ice. Now, you're going to close up your bags.
Take all the air out.
No.
No air? No? Pass the air.
Yeah, there's some air. And then put it in your bag of ice.
Try. Oh, sorry. Anna. Okay. And now,
First you add in your salt to the ice.
oh my God! I almost forgot that. We got some ice right here in a nice big bag. A quart size, or was it a large? Large. And we're gonna put some
Salt in it.
like how much?
Well, we're low on salt, so we're just going to each use half a tablespoon.
salt will melt the ice.
And it makes it colder. So when it melts, it gets colder, and it'll make your ice cream.
Anna, do you want another frozen heart?
No!
Okay, so then don't go near the ice.
So you're going to add in your ingredients into your ice.
Don't pour it in, just put it in like how we are. Oops. At least you're close.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
And next, you're gonna
Shake it for 10 minutes. Shake it off. Shake it off. We'll see you then. Okay, now it's time to make the whipped cream. Where's Meadow and Arizona? I don't know. I don't know. Well,
maybe we could just make the whipped cream out like
hey! You aren't gonna lie to yourself.
I'm watching you. You gonna make them all yourself? How are you possibly supposed to make them all by yourself?
I don't know. Okay, well, how to make the whipped cream? Okay, actually, I'll say something first. We did it for 10 minutes, and it wasn't really done yet. So if that happens, just put it in the freezer for overnight, or you can put it in the freezer for 10 minutes.
Well, we put it in the freezer right now, and right now we're going to make the whipped cream while we wait.
Yeah. So, first you're going to need a whisk, a big mixing bowl. It has to be big. Your whipped cream, your heavy whipping cream.
You can put any color you want in it, if you're making lemon, yellow, or any other color. And
Yeah.
you will miss the purple.
So the amount you put in, it will double. So if you put 1 cup, that'll make 2 cups. We just made half a cup for each of us. So it's going to be 1 cup of whipped cream.
So, next, first of all, we're going to take our whisk out and pour in our whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream.
And try to get as much out as possible.
And then you're going to take your powdered sugar. We have 1 tablespoon. But if you don't like it weird, like too sweet, then you can do half a tablespoon. Let's add in our powdered sugar. Let's get out. Because heavy whipping cream doesn't have any flavor, it just naturally thick milk for the most part. So you have to add the powdered sugar to make it sweet.
We don't want plain old, not flavored whipped cream, do you?
No. So now you're going to take your whisk and you go around like this on the sides really fast.
Hey Anna, do you want a whisk?
Sure. Now if you don't use a big mixing bowl, the air won't get in and make it fluffy. It has to be big.
Because
Let's start whisking. I want to whisk.
I'll make the whisk.
Elsa, you can add in the whipped cream. You can add the whipped cream on the ice cream.
I'm going to let Anna whisk. I wanted a whisk.
Well, okay, please whisk. No, I'm sorry.
You can just like taste it because like it doesn't have anything that you're not sweet. It's just heavy whipped cream with powdered sugar. So
It actually tastes really good.
yeah, don't eat all of it. It has to become whipped cream.
Yeah.
Okay, or actually, you guys, you can use one of those mixer things that automatically whisk, but we don't have one of those, and we have one over here, but we need an adult supervision.
Well, we don't know how to work it.
And our mom doesn't want us to use it, so we're just using normal whisks, but you guys can use one of those.
An electric whisk.
Yeah, so just use that. Okay guys, it's supposed to take around 5 minutes, but it's literally been like 1 minute and 30 seconds, and mine's already fluffy.
Wow.
And the Meadows is kind of liquidy and kind of fluffy.
Yeah, I was seeing if I added enough whipped cream. Oh,
See, it won't spill. It used to be liquid, now it's fluffy.
It's starting to become thick.
And look, it's purple. Your favorite. And mine's done, actually. They got a big one.
It's starting. Look.
Oh, yeah. bag if you have one. We don't have one right now, so we're just using a normal zippo bag.
Yeah.
And we're gonna cut it at the tip, so it can make like a whipped cream. Cool.
It's starting to form.
Is that cool? So just put this right here, and now we're gonna take all the whipped cream that we just made and put it into the Ziploc. Or you guys, if you don't want to do all of this, you could just go buy some. But this is homemade ice cream and homemade whipped cream.
Yeah.
All homemade.
Yeah. I mean, well, the ingredients are homemade.
There's homemade ice cream and homemade whipped cream. I mean, yep.
We forgot our Harry Potter costumes. Oh, we're sorry.
It's fun. I don't know why it's fun, but it's not fun. It's the end of the world. Do you want to turn into our Harry Potter costumes and just like a jump?
Nah.
Okay.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna see if it actually doubles. Because mine is done.
It's very fluffy. It's yellow. And mine's purple. And mine is starting to melt, so I'm gonna hurry up and
Yeah, I need my own spin. Oh, you shake it.
It's actually really good. It doesn't taste like the one from the store, but it tastes really sweet and really good.
It's a lie. It doesn't actually double.
It's a lie, they say.
So I added half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And this one whipped cream is half a cup. So I guess if you're making this with us, sorry. But okay, if you want 1 cup of whipped cream, just put 1 cup. We're gonna add the whipped cream to our ice.
Wait.
Come on.
Sorry.
Hey, Anna, you wanna pour it?
Hey, you promised Elsa.
I did. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go, Elsa.
Whoa, look at this. It's so cool.
Yeah. Now it's time to try it.
Here's the lemon. Remember that.
It tastes so good.
Is it good? How good? 1 out of 10.
10. Now, if yours is like liquidy still, have it freeze overnight. It's so good.
Well, you should have tried it at the same time, but
I could eat this all night.
oh, this is so good. Here, you want to try a bite on that? Oops, you got some in her house.
Someone did cream on her nose.
I got some on my nose.
You know what that off? This is actually really delicious and really good. You guys should probably try this. Well, that was all for today's video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join us on another